CWC meeting to choose Adhir's successor. This is the inside track that we're getting for you from the Congress meeting. We'll also try and connect with our reporter. Sabyasachi, in fact, is with us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, now successor of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary will be chosen. But Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, in that particular statement, is making it absolutely clear that he had no idea that he had become the former chief.
Well, absolutely. See, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary in that particular statement has said that he did not have any idea that his resignation has been accepted. He has tendered his resignation, but it was not accepted by the party high command. Now, the leader of his stature, he was the former leader of opposition, and he expected that this particular decision should be conveyed to him personally. It is only after the meeting that he attended at the AICC of the West Bengal unit, where Ghulam Mir, in fact, referred to Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary as the former president of the state of West Bengal. That's how he got to know that his resignation has been accepted by the party high command. Now, if you see that he had written a long post in the Facebook where he has clearly hinted out that he would continue to object Mamta Banerjee. In fact, in a slightly arrogant tone, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary said that he will be on the street with all his colleagues and on the path of agitation, and he has not learned to compromise with injustice, and he will not at any given time. So this clearly indicates that Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary in the future also will continue to obstruct Mamta Banerjee in the state of West Bengal. And in the meeting, in fact, a phone name has been proposed to be the next state president of Congress in the state of West Bengal.
All right, Sabyasachi, stay on with us. We're getting some breaking inputs. I'll come back to you for details on that as well. Sources are also suggesting most of the leaders have strongly demanded changes in the organization, and that if the party has to perform well in the assembly elections, then it should work under the strategy of Ekla Chalo. That's the demand coming in from the local netas of the Congress party unit in West Bengal. We have Sabyasachi, who continues to be with us. Sabyasachi, local unit, even during the Lok Sabha election, felt that there should be no tie-up between the Congress and the TMC. They were the first ones to voice their opinion. Now, again, sentiments on ground are that the Congress party should, work on the policy of Ekla Chalo.
Well, absolutely. See, in the Lok Sabha polls and in the state assembly polls as well, Congress had an alliance with the left. But in ground, the Congress did not do well. And most of the leaders strongly demanded changes in the organization. In fact, they said that Congress has to perform well in the assembly polls, which is due in a couple of years. Then the work needs to be done right away, and the strategy should be Ekla Chalo without any alliance with the Trinamool Congress or with the CPIM in the state of West Bengal. And most of the leaders, in fact, were not happy with the working style of former President Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. And according to them, they feel that no attention was paid to strengthening the Congress organization during Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary's tenure. And Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary kept on opposing Mamta Banerjee only for personal gains, whereas lack of focusing on the organizational level.
All right. Stay on with us, Sabyasachi. Let's also listen to how the TMC is responding. We have a reaction from Sagarika Ghosh.
Mr. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has first of all lost his seat in this election. Therefore, his political significance has been reduced. He has consistently been using foul language against my leader, Mamta Banerjee. He has insulted her on many occasions. He has insulted our party on many occasions. And we feel that in any case, Mr. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is really not the Congress. We've always believed he's a BJP front.
All right, so that was a sharp attack coming in from the TMC for Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Thank you to Sabyasachi for getting us the details. Quick break for that.